Welcome to Pindar Poetry. We hope you learned something new.
You start by opening the web page or document you want to search, then immediately invoke the Find tool so you don't waste time scanning. On most browsers, tap the menu icon or Share Sheet and pick Find and Page. In apps, use the in-app search field. Type the exact word or phrase and watch matches highlight. You'll see a small counter and arrows to jump between hits. Once done, use the arrows to move through results and review each match in context. Next, refine how you search depending on the app so you get accurate results. In Chrome, use menu right arrow find and page. In Safari, use share right arrow find on page. For PDFs and document apps open their search bar, they'll show exact counts and let you jump to pages. Make sure to toggle whole word or case-sensitive options if the app supports them, because that prevents false positives. Once you've refined the query, scan the neighborhood of each. To finish, use the find arrows to visit each match and clear the search field when done so the page returns to normal. If the built-in find fails to locate text, switch the browser to desktop view, copy content into notes and search there, or use the app's global search. Make sure the app is updated and restart the app or device if highlights don't appear. That often fixes glitches. If problems persist, try an alternative app that supports robust in-page search.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.